visa-free countries na pwede puntahan ng mga Philippine passports as tourist. So, maraming katanong, ano ba yung mga visa-free countries para sa mga Pilipino? Let's start with Asia. Ang number 1 ay ang Brunei. Brunei can give you up to 14 days without a visa. Cambodia with 30 days without a visa. Hong Kong, which would be 14 days with no visa. Indonesia, which you can stay up to 30 days without a visa. Kazakhstan, which you can stay up to 30 days na walang visa. Kyrgyzstan, which is technically visa on arrival. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-apply except pagka-arrive mo na. So, you can stay up to 1 month once you get your visa on arrival. Laos, where you can get up to 30 days without visa. Macau, where you can stay up to 30 days without visa. Malaysia, where you can stay 30 days without visa. Maldives, which you can get visa on arrival. And yung visa on arrival is up to 30 days. Mongolia, which you can stay for up to 21 days. Myanmar, where you can stay for 14 days. Nepal, which is also visa on arrival, which you can get up to 90 days stay. Pakistan, wherein you can get up to 30 days stay. Singapore, where you can stay up to 30 days as well, no visa. Sri Lanka is also e-visa, so online application lang, no need to submit anything. It's also 30 days stay. Taiwan, where you can stay up to 14 days. Tajikistan, which is also visa on arrival, where you can get it up to 45 days. Thailand, where you can stay up to 30 days. Timor-Leste, where you can stay up to 30 days or visa on arrival yan, no? Vietnam, where you can stay for 21 days. Now, next country set would be in Africa. Cape Verde Islands, which is also visa on arrival, more than 2 weeks. The Comoro Islands, which is also visa on arrival, where you can stay up to 45 days. Cote d'Ivoire, where you can stay for up to 90 days. Guinea-Bissau, which is also visa on arrival, where you can stay up to 90 days. Madagascar is also visa on arrival, where you can stay up to 90 days. Malawi, which is also visa on arrival, where you can stay up to 90 days. Mauritius, which is also visa on arrival, where you can stay up to 60 days. Morocco, where you can stay up to 90 days. Mozambique, which is visa on arrival as well, where you can stay up to 30 days. Rwanda, where you can stay up to 90 days, no visa. Senegal, where you can stay up to 90 days, no visa. Seychelles, where you can stay up to 3 months with visa on arrival. Somalia, where you can stay up to 30 days. Tanzania, which is also visa on arrival, just like Somalia, where you can stay up to 3 months. The Gambia, where you can stay up to 90 days, no visa. Togo, which is also visa on arrival, where you can stay up to 7 days. Uganda, where you can get visa on arrival or up to 30 days. The next set of countries, the Americas. Ito, marami may gusto dito. The American region. Brazil, so also a visa-free country for Filipinos. Bolivia, where it's also visa-free for up to 90 days. Colombia, which is 90 days upon arrival and can extend another 90 days, so around 180 days total in Colombia. Costa Rica, which is 30 days upon arrival and can extend for another 60 days or a total of 90 days you can stay without visa. Nicaragua, which is visa on arrival for up to 90 days. Peru, which is 183 days without visa. Suriname, which is up to 90 days without a visa. Caribbean region. So the first country in the Caribbean region would be Barbados. For Filipinos, no need for visa again. Barbados, you can stay up to 90 days, no visa for Philippine passports. Dominica, which you can stay for 21 days, no visa. Haiti, which you can stay up to 3 months without visa. St. Lucia, which is visa on arrival, where you can stay up to 6 weeks. Next would be St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which you can stay up to 1 month without a visa. Trinidad and Tobago, where you can stay for up to 1 month, just visa on arrival. In the Middle East, the first one would be Armenia, which is also visa on arrival, up to 120 days without a visa. Iran, visa on arrival, up to 30 days. Israel, visa-free for Filipinos for up to 3 months. Next would be also the Palestinian territories, no visa for Filipinos, no limits as well. Alright, next would be the Oceania region. Tuvalu, which is visa on arrival only, allowed to stay here for up to a month without visa. Cook Islands, where you can stay up to 31 days, no visa. The Fiji Islands, or Fiji, where you can stay up to 4 months without a visa. The Marshall Islands, which is visa on arrival, where you can stay for up to 90 days. Micronesia, where you can stay up to 30 days. Palau Islands, visa on arrival only, and you can stay there up to 30 days. Papua New Guinea, visa on arrival for up to 60 days. Samoa, where you can also travel visa on arrival for up to 60 days. Vanuatu, where you can stay for up to 30 days. So these are the countries where you can travel, no visas, only visa on arrival for some, like I mentioned, or basically visa free. But take note of the number of days you can stay, and this is strictly for tourism, no? So if you're looking for yung mga trabaho or OFW, working visa na ho yun. Kailangan ho ng working visa sa mga karamihan ng bansa, if not all countries. So yun ho ang aking guide para sa araw na ito. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sai, ang inyong coach ng bayan.